In this lesson, I will explain to you subtraction of polynomials in algebra. Before going to start, first of all, I want to explain the term polynomial. So, polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, and constant, right? So, this is the example. We have this variable, we have this coefficient, and we have this constant. So, polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, and constant, right? And then we will discuss the degree. So this is the question. This is the fourth level polynomial. 2x7 exponent is 7, negative 3x power 5, positive 2x square, positive 7. So this is called the seventh degree polynomial. How we say? First of all, you have to see the highest exponent. So this is square, this is 5, this is 7. So this is the highest exponent. Based on the highest exponent, you have to say the degree. So this is the seventh degree, right? If I say from here, this is the fifth degree polynomial because this is the highest exponent. But this is not the standard form. Why? Because you have to write down the polynomials in the descending order. First 5x power 5, positive 3x, exponent 4, negative 5x cube, right? So this is the standard form of this. But if someone asks you from here the degree, so you have to say this is the fifth degree. You decide the degree on the basis of the highest exponent. This is the standard form. That is fine because this is 7, 5 square and then constant. So this is fine. But this is the seventh degree because it has the highest exponent. This is the not standard form, but this is the fifth degree and this is the standard form, right? If you want to write down, suppose this is x square plus 2. So this is called the binomial because it has two terms, 1 and 2. And this is trinomial. It has three terms, 1, 2, 3. But this is very simple. The simplest is binomial, right? 2 terms and 3 terms and 4 terms and so on. And one thing that I want to mention you here, that if suppose x has a power or exponent is negative 1 by 2, so this is not the polynomial. Polynomial should have a positive exponent. Similarly, if I say x power under root z minus z, this is not the polynomial because this under root means 1 by 2, right? And then this is 1. So minus 1, my half is equal to minus half again. So this is not the polynomial. Polynomial should have the positive exponent. So I hope this is clear, right? Polynomial, because we will use in algebra polynomial again and again. So polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients and constant. Then we use the term degree. Degree you have to decide on the basis of the highest exponent. And then is the standard and non-standard form. Standard form is that you have to write down in the descending order according to the degrees, according to the exponent, right? Here we will solve some questions regarding our topic subtraction. So subtract this. This is the tripolynomial from this polynomial, right? So what you have to do from this, you have to write down first this polynomial and this we will write down the second polynomial. We are learning subtraction. Keep in mind, in algebra, when you do subtraction, you have to change the sign. Not the sign of this one, the sign of this polynomial. So if you do not see any sign here, it's understood that it is positive. If it is positive, you have to make it negative. This is negative, you have to make it positive. This is positive, you have to make it negative. Now forget about these signs. These are the new signs. In subtraction only you have to change the sign. Right? Now we will consider the new sign with this polynomial. Right? Subtract it now. So this is 2x exponent 5 and this is 3x exponent 5. Again, these variables should be exactly same. I am not going to subtract 2x 5 from 6 or 5z cube. No, it should be same, x5 x exponent 5. So this is plus, this is minus. Yes, you have to subtract plus minus minus 3 or minus this 2, so it will be x5. But then you have to decide the sign, right? Plus minus minus, yes, but again this is the subtraction. You have to use the sign which has the highest magnitude. Which one is greater, 3 or 2? 3, and 3 has minus sign, that is why minus is here, right? Okay, and then this is plus, this is plus, this is easy, so it will be 9y4. And here this is important thing, this is plus 6z cube, this is minus 5z cube, right? Plus and negative, positive and negative will be negative. Yes, you have to subtract, but I will subtract it, so it is z cube. But what sign will come? This is very important thing here. What sign? Please do not say plus minus minus. No, you do not have to change the sign. In multiplication, plus minus minus. Here this is the subtraction or addition. In subtraction or addition, you have to put the sign which is greater, 6 or 5. 6, and 6 has plus. This is very important point, right? Very, the first one is this is plus, this is minus. Yes, you have to subtract, but the sign will come which is greater. So 3 is greater than 2, and 3 has a minus or negative sign. Here 6, negative 5. Yes, you have to subtract, but what sign will come? Positive. Positive, because 6 is greater than 5. Keep in mind, do not say plus minus minus. In algebra, oh sorry, in multiplication you have to change the sign. So the same question I have done with the another way, like this. See, you have to subtract this from this. So write down the first polynomial, try polynomial as it is, then negative sign, and then second one. So here is the multiplication. See, this is parenthesis and there is no. So dot means I told you multiplication. Multiplication. You have to multiply with the negative sign all this parenthesis, so the sign will change. It will be minus 3x5. It is minus, so minus minus plus. Here you have to change the sign. Multiplication. Plus minus minus. Yes, you have to change the sign because we are doing multiplication, right? Okay, and then see, now we will arrange it. This is 2x5, this is minus 3x5, same variable, x5 x5, 4x4, this will come here, cube will go together. Then we will do subtraction or addition. 2x5 minus 3x5, so it will be minus x5 because 3 is greater than 2. 4 and 5, 9. 6 minus 5, definitely you have to subtract, plus minus minus, but the sign will come, means 6 is greater than 5, so plus, and this is the answer, right? So in subtraction you have to change the sign. Keep in mind, subtract this from this, so first you have to change the sign. No sign, it means it is plus, right? Minus, it will be plus. This is plus, so it will be minus, right? Okay, we can do from here if you want. So same thing, 6 plus, and this 5 negative. So plus or negative will be negative, but the sign will come which is greater. So 6. And this is plus plus, same, plus 9t square. And this is minus s because 3 is greater than 2. And this is plus and minus minus. So this is the answer, right? One more question, subtract this from this. What you have to do? Change sign first. You have to change the sign. And then this is plus, this is plus, right? If no sign is there, it means it is plus. So 4a square negative, 2a square positive. So answer will be 2a square, positive, negative, negative, but the sign will come minus because 4 is greater than 2. This one. This is plus plus, it is easy, it is 12b cube. and then this one is plus C4. Right, so in this lesson you have learned how to subtract with the polynomials. Always keep in mind you have to change the sign. Right, if still you have any question, write down in the comment section. I will try my best to solve it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Sci My Academy. Thanks for watching.